Let's see how you can easily send free Instagram bulk DMs within the 24-hour window. So here I'm in a demo account and I have already connected the Instagram as well. So if you go to the broadcast sections, here you have the option to send broadcast messages through the Instagram as well. So if you click on continue, here the Instagram has set up strict rules when you can actually send any sort of promotions or broadcast or bulk DMs as well. So it says may contain promotions and will only be sent to users who message your bot within the 24-hour window. So that means you can only send this broadcast only to the people who have sent you a message in the last 24 hours. So this limitation is set up by the Instagram to avoid any sort of spams or other promotions as well. So if you want to learn more about this particular rule or 24-hour rule, you can come back to the help center right here. Yeah, in the help center you can see a special guide on Messenger and Instagram broadcast guidelines. So here you can find more details about the 24-hour rule right here. But if you're sending broadcast messages through the Facebook page or Facebook Messenger, then you can still send messages even after the 24-hour window, but they should be non-promotional using any of these tags. In Facebook Messenger you can send any messages related to the order shipment through the post purchase update tag, confirmed event through this tag. Likewise, you can also use Messenger list on Facebook to re-engage your customers after 24 hours, where you can even send promotions related messages as well. But for the Instagram, you have only one option. You can only send a broadcast within the 24-hour window where they have actually sent you a message. So here, if I go to this broadcast option, and if I click on continue, here it says 0. So this is a demo account and we don't have anyone messaged us on this specific Instagram account connected within the last 24 hours. So here let me send a random message as this particular customer, let me say, and some random message. So we can actually open that specific 24-hour window and then we can actually send the broadcast message as well. So here I just send a random message and it actually send a response using the AI, but it doesn't matter. The customer has to send a message. That's it. So now if I go to the broadcast option, click on send, here you have the option, you see receivers 1, because one person has messaged our Instagram within the last 24 hours. So to that person you have the option to send any promotions or any broadcast messages you like as well. So here when sending the broadcast message, you have to set the specific flow. You have to select the specific flow. So before that you have to actually design the specific flow, and here you can also schedule or when to send this message right here as well. And here you can even filter the contacts using different tags, other conditions as well. But let's first of all create the flow we want to send or the message we want to send them, and from there we'll show the live demo as well. So let me cancel this one for now. So let me go to the flow section and let's see if we can use any existing flows as the broadcast. Let's see if we can actually use the free templates over there as a broadcast on Instagram. So let me go to the all free templates over here and see. So we might use this one, Black Friday holiday promotion. So let me make a duplicate of this one over here so that we can actually keep the original as it is. And here let me rename this one as IG bulk DM Black Friday holiday promotions. All right, and click continue, and let me open this one and see what we have here. So it says welcome to the Black Friday, ready to get on the list, sign me up, and it simply asks them to provide the name, and after that email address and also the phone number as well. So let's say we want to collect their name and the phone number only. So let me delete the email part over here and get them to the phone number part right here, and just remove all these steps over here so that they can simply start with the name and then provide the phone number. That's it. All right, and after they provide the phone number, we can also send them an SMS if you have connected the SMS right here as well. So here you can connect it to your phone number right here and send SMS as you like. And here we don't want to send any sort of emails over here, and here they have waiting time delays over here. So you can see change these dates as you like as well. So let me delete the email part over here. All right, that's it. So we can actually send this whole flow as a broadcast, and the customer will receive the first message. When they start interacting with this button, they will start receiving the next sort of messages in this particular flow. All right, so let me go to the broadcast over here, choose send, and choose Instagram over here, and what flow to send, IG bulk DM. All right, we have one receiver, and I want to send this one as soon as possible. All right, and click send. Alright, so it has been sent. So let me share my phone screen and see if I have received any message. Alright, so we have received the same message regarding the Black Friday promotions, and if I tap on this one, yes, sign me up, from there it will actually simply collect a particular customer details over here, such as the name first. So let me say John Justin, and also it simply asks me to provide the phone number as well. Alright, the phone number is there. Alright, I provide the phone number, and from there it will send the other messages in the flow as well. So here this conversation is actually initiated through the bulk DM or broadcast we sent through the Instagram using the 24-hour window for free. And if you go to this inbox, you can see all this conversation happened right here. And from this unified inbox, you can actually send any sort of messages to the customers as well. And that's a quick video on how you can actually send free Instagram bulk DMs within the 24-hour window. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.